In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe and automate payments in GoHighLevel. First, sign into your GoHighLevel sub-account so you're working inside the correct workspace. From the main menu, head to Payments. This is your command center for products, invoices, and integrations. Next, open the Integrations tab. Here's where you'll connect your payment processor. Choose Stripe and click Connect. Stripe is the secure payment engine that GoHighLevel uses to accept credit cards and digital wallets, handle one-time and recurring charges, and sync payment events back to your account. This connection lets you sell seamlessly through funnels, forms, and checkouts while keeping everything tracked inside GoHighLevel. Click Connect with Stripe to continue. You'll be redirected to Stripe to sign in, choose or create your Stripe account, and grant permissions. If you're new to Stripe, complete the quick onboarding with your business details and payout bank account. Make sure the account is fully activated so payments can clear without delays. After authorization, you'll return to GoHighLevel with the integration live. Now, go to Products and select Create Product. Give your product a clear title so you can easily identify it later, then enter the price amount you want to charge. If you're running a promotion, you can add a Compare at Price to show the regular price alongside your sale price. When everything looks good, click Save. Your product is now ready to be used in checkouts and automations. Head over to Automation and create a new workflow. For this example, start from scratch, though you can use templates if they fit your use case. Rename the workflow to something descriptive, like Order Confirmation, so your team knows exactly what it does. Add a new trigger. A trigger is the event that starts the automation. Choose Order Submitted because we want this workflow to fire immediately after a successful checkout. Save the trigger. Click the plus icon to add an action. Actions are the steps the system performs automatically once the trigger fires. Select Send SMS so customers receive an instant confirmation. This is great for reassurance, faster communication, and reduced support inquiries. Type your message. Keep it concise and helpful. For example, "Thanks for your order. We've received your payment for product name. A receipt has been sent to your email. If you need help, just reply to this message." Personalize with merge fields where appropriate and ensure you're compliant with messaging regulations. Finally, click Save Action and then Publish to turn the workflow on. That's it. Stripe is connected, your product is set, and confirmations are automated. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.